Okay, so we're going to take a look at another question from the topic of electromagnetism. We're asked which fields exert a force on the following. So moving electron, stationary neutron. Okay, so we'll deal with one of these at a time. So let's think about a moving electron. The three fields we're really concerned with, or the three types of force, are gravitational, electronic, and magnetic. So moving electron has mass. So if we think about gravitational field, yes, it will affect an electron. Not much, but it will affect it. If we think about electric field, well, an electric field affects things which have charge. An electron has a charge, negative charge, still has a charge, so yes. And then if we think about magnetic field, a moving electron has a moving charge. Magnetic fields affect things with moving charges, but only in certain directions. So a magnetic field could affect a moving electron, but it depends on the direction of movement. So it depends on direction. But in general, all three of these are possible. So now let's take a look at stationary electron. Stationary electron. So we have possibly gravitational force, electric force, and then magnetic force. So stationary electron has mass, so definitely gravity. Stationary electron has charge, so definitely electric. Stationary electron has no velocity, so it cannot be affected by a magnetic field. Magnetic fields affect moving charges, not stationary charges. And then if we think about 3, this is a stationary neutron. So can be affected by gravity, electric field, or magnetic field. Well, a neutron has mass, and so definitely it's affected by gravitational fields. A stationary neutron has negligible and or zero charge, so in general it won't be affected by electric fields. Because it has negligible or zero charge, it's pretty much not going to be affected by magnetic fields either. We can double up on it not being affected by magnetic fields by arguing that it's also not moving, right? So magnetic fields affect things that have charge and are moving. This has negligible or zero charge and is not moving, so it's not going to be affected by the magnetic field on either of those fronts. So this is the answer to this question.